Hello everyone.
Welcome back to our channel Panika and
Mommy.
so we have made so many activities. So we hope that you have also enjoyed our activities like Panika's cute dance moves, Panika's crafts, Panika learning activities and some of the DIY activities. So today we are coming back with a very new interesting activity which is very cute also. Yes or no, Panika?
Yes.
So what we will make today?
Make today.
Yes.
We will make animal pen stand.
So let's get started. So before we get started, we just want to tell you a simple material. Okay?
Okay.
So we need 3 rolls. That is a waste material. And what is this?
Scissor.
Yes. And gum
Gum.
and some sheets.
Chips.
And these are the cutouts we prepared at our home. So you can also
This.
use that. Okay?
Okay.
So let's get
Started.
So in the first step, we need to take 2 cutouts and these
Okay.
small cutouts. Okay? So we need 5 pieces of this and 2 pieces of this. Okay?
Okay.
Very nice, Vanika. Now we are done with this step. Now we need to paste it like this. Okay?
Okay.
So come.
So
First part is ready.
first part is ready.
So now what we need to do, we need to roll it with the sheet
Like this.
like this. Do it. We need 3 rolls for this pen stand. We need to put the gum here and paste it like this. Okay? It's the first roll. So we need 3 rolls and you need to cover it with the sheet. Okay. Panika, hold it. Now you need to join these rolls. Like this. Okay? Panika, what is this? What is in this your hand? What is this?
A pen stand.
Base or foot. Now we need to put here. Now we are ready with our base and pen stand. Last step, I'm just pasting the head, the front part, and Panika is pasting the
Tail.
tail and the back part. Now our cute pen stand is ready. How is it, Panika?
Very cute. My cute pen stand is ready. Hope you like the activity. Subscribe the direction and click the bell button. See you next time.